look, you have a bull right there and you have a bull right here.
Set, go, take off.
It's gonna be a cold start, so let's hear how it sounds. So hi guys, this is Premster 14 and we are finally inside the Lamborghini Huracan, which is one of my favorite cars. Let's start her up now. Wow, amazing. The sound of the exhaust is just too good. Let's keep the key inside over here. Let's roll up the windows. Let's have the ACs on. So we're starting in Strada mode. Let's go. Oh my god. This thing is mad. We are driving this naturally aspirated V10 beast. We'll have to raise the car because there's a bump. So this car has many loadings and one of them is the Novitec Torado carbon fiber kit, and it just enhances the look of this car. It just looks amazing. I mean, just look at the attention we are getting just because of the car. I mean, people think that it's very difficult to drive a Lamborghini, but I mean, it is not very difficult. You just need to get the judgment. The air intake. Let's turn it to sport. Car also has a race exhaust which is fitted from the Lamborghini factory. Oh, the crackles is just mad. It's so aggressive. So a stock Huracan has 602 horsepower, but because this has the Lamborghini race exhaust, it increases 5% power. So this now has 630 horsepower. Let's put it to Corsa mode. Oh my god. The downshifts are so aggressive. It's an Italian missile, guys. The power is insane. Oh, wow. We'll have to raise the car. The gear shifts are lightning quick. Mad. This is just madness, guys. Have the timing right, because once the car crosses a certain speed, the car automatically lowers itself. So when you approach a bump, you need to raise the car again. This is just amazing. This is a bad bump. We'll have to take it sideways. Bull right there and you have a bull right here. Guys, Driving a Lamborghini Huracan is a different experience, and I'm quite lucky to drive one. The suspension is a bit on a stiffer side, but I mean, it's a Lamborghini Huracan, it's a supercar, so that's bound to happen. But the exhaust is just too good. So guys, this button right here, so when you press this, it turns into manual mode. So the only way to change the gears are with this paddle shifters. Again, it becomes into automatic, so it becomes like a normal regular automatic car, and it shifts the gear easily with extreme ease. And yeah, it's on the 4th gear already. So we had started the drive with 90 kilometers of range, and we have just driven hardly 2 kilometers, and we have lost about 50 kilometers of range already. Was an end to a small drive of the Lamborghini Huracan, which was just too good. So let's just stop and give it a few revs. So yeah, this is it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.